Hi, welcome to the Staking Geek channel. Today we're going to look at the LOOM Network project and how you can earn crypto by staking the LOOM token. You might have noticed this project over the last 7 days, up 140%. Over the last month, 172%. Their all-time high was around 77 cents back in 2018. Their all-time low was a couple years later in 2020 at a fraction of a penny. You can purchase this token at various exchanges, including Binance, KuCoin. You could swap for it on PancakeSwap using your Metamask. I wasn't able to find any news related to this price spike, so potentially there is something that the public doesn't know yet. So let's go over here and take a look. They've written a lot of documentation, mainly for developers. We're just going to touch on it from a high level. So the LOOM Network is a multi-chain interoperability platform that connecting major blockchains such as Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Tron. Basically, you can deploy your dApp just once to the LOOM's network's base chain. And the documentation says here you'll reach the largest user base possible, so you can focus on your dApp development and business growth. So let's look at some of the features here. No gas fees for users, 1 to 3 second confirmation times, and automatically get connected to every major blockchain using any kind of wallet. So what is this base chain? Well, it's an interoperable delegated proof of stake consensus mechanism blockchain that is live, Ethereum virtual machine compatible, is audited, and it is secured by, I counted 12, not 21. This might be some old information, as well as, I would say, thousands or hundreds of individual token delegators. So they're saying here, if you've ever deployed a dApp to Ethereum, the process is very similar. If you already have a dApp on Ethereum, you can port it over to this base chain in no time to get much greater scalability and reach. So these guys are basically a side chain, and it says future-proof your dApp with LOOM Network, deploy once, and get multi-chain usability. It looks like they're also working on the ZK Loom, which is a layer 2 solution that utilizes zero-knowledge rollups. So rollups help reduce the load on Ethereum. If you've seen some of my other videos on L2s, you'll know this. By moving some of the work off-chain and rolling up transactions into batches that can result in reduction in transaction processing times and fees. The ZK Loom testnet is based on the same core architecture as ZK Sync Era. I've also reviewed ZK Sync Era, so go check that out. All right, so let's go over here to Twitter or X. There they are. You could follow them at LOOM Network, 41.8 thousand followers. Like I said, there wasn't much information. They got listed on gate.io recently. That could be it. Who is the founders of LOOM Network? Well, I believe there was a few of them. If we go over here to CoinMarketCap, I don't think that Matthew Campbell is not there anymore. I don't believe this gentleman is here, but Luke is, and this Vadim. So you could go check him out. There's his handle. He looks like he doesn't tweet very much. All right, so how do we make crypto passive income? By staking our LOOM token? Well, it's fairly straightforward. This project is not rocket science for users like me and you. So you can either have tokens on the Binance Smart Chain or the Ethereum mainnet. So you want to connect your wallet. So let's say I want to use Ethereum. I have LOOM tokens on the Ethereum mainnet and I want to stake those. Like I said, if you have LOOM tokens on the Binance Smart Chain, you can also stake those as well. So you're going to come over here to staking and then click on validators. And here's the 12 that I mentioned. There's the base reward, which is 5%. So you want to take a look at this, right? Obviously, you don't want to stake maybe with the lowest. I mean, your preference. I went through these, and it looks like this one here is sort of in the middle. They're not charging a large fee compared to a lot of the other ones. This one here, the top one, is charging the same 10%. So Moon Rocket, you want to click on them and you want to stake your tokens. So once you're connected, you have LOOM tokens in your MetaMask connected to the Ethereum mainnet. You can lock them up for 2 weeks to get 5%, and you can lock them up for various periods of time, all the way up to a year, to to get 20% in rewards. So once you're done staking for the period of time, you can undelegate it and get that back into your wallet. So if you need to get the Loom token inside your Metamask, you just come over here to CoinMarketCap and grab the contract information. If we take a look, there it is. So there's that one for Binance Smart Chain and this one for Ethereum. So basically, I would just copy this, come over here to your MetaMask, and you want to import tokens and just click on that. If it doesn't work, come over here to custom token, click on that, and it'll automatically show up and hit add custom token. So I would add this once you do the transfer from an exchange. So, or you can do it before you do it on, let's say, Pancake Swap. So that's how you can manually enter the contract. So you'll be able to see the Loom token in your MetaMask. All right, that's the Loom project, fairly straightforward. If there's any major updates to this, I will provide those. If you leave me a like, share, subscribe, or comment, that would be fantastic. I will continue researching projects. I got a few others that I'm going to release over the next couple weeks. Until next time, thanks for watching. See you later.